Okwa content mine inside Bako. I watched the video and wept that day. I'm no money asuja for a koye. Na asuja for na airborne mining site in the home bra. Na kwanya ye fast so birim wo mo ama GGB camera. Ye ni wo fi ha ni camera ye di hwe wo chechi aso. Bo bo mo kan hwe. Emra no man panyi tabo ato mining so wo Ghana ha. Ye nya the MPP regional chairman or ye po yando the boss. One a man appointment. Into the direct boss. And na odi awe ho man suma no. Be gina TV so na backbone in chain. That was the first time me who buy guy gold man. No catch Ghana for say. Musi mi osika. I have solid gold. Sing your camera in front to me see solid gold. Na bag no bon chain say. Na wo yi gold. Na wo yi gold. Me say Ghana ye ti ha no. Na ye too mining. But na pa ye mu die. Na obi anko ho. Asem we me kan mani atete. Sense ye dia manyo sam to me. Be di wo man ye wu, di wo man yi bone. Sense kwaye ye nananom jama yen. Se da chi ma ahwe yen. MPP chama hutimi na ado dan kwaku domo ye hwe han di mrako parliament. Se for mu ma ye kwan na yenko se kwaye yenko kwaye mu ko se kwaye en se da chi ma da chi. Na no be jan wo se. You see amanyo sem ye ni say ya. Obi chinchan a wan hwe beka samanyofo nyina enye correct me na me wo se pass obi abetu
amanya for se busuba mo de na
ye wani ma we mu bia
se mo nka no kre
so obi abetu aka mining asem a akanye poyando mining so obi abet me se wo boss a o ma wo o appoint wo
and the contract na ya twam wo
I was very quiet o boss o appoint wo me say most of the forest was until Kodwemua. Do na say no. I couldn't money have a hand in it.
Okay, so Lunti, Mukreti atmosphere. Listen to me too.
Okay, I didn't know.
Mama, yes, to send your walk, I was in repeat your hand pay. Sir, I contain mining and an essay forest no. And yet, for 9 to 10 months in himself or more, I am bagom. Are you know, isn't it surprising? Say, baby, on before and people are still in the forest, people are still in the rivers.
And it's in a make catch say, Sasado Muka, no more political power to me. Until they were untouchable, a poyando or the boss of Kwano Dinechi, or Moko anymore. Nobody to me, Nako.
That was what they are someone to me so. Okoko Mammy Dinechi. Okay, you.
The point is that now all this I could only know. And Kofobi Sophie say, and nay, that's almost a patchaba. This had not for the impunity. And yes, sir. Penny say, when it say, did a blue back and yes, I can. One day, you mean about and to be a Cassandra who said, so what Timmy Cassa will mine and swat. Mean Cassasi. But when people like Poyando, but tell you, Sikas and Never know, at least today, we have the will. And then, me who MPP regional and this regional chairman be backbone in Chelsea. Attitude so you good. Check Ghana for you now say.
The moment I will go, then I say illegal mine.
Huh? Oh, now on one buying the 10 minister for lands, Peter, Honorable Peter Mawu. Abeka say he is engaged in an illegality. On one minister, and then this minister.
For you, when you see
on one minister, Abeka say he is engaged in illegality. This is Abeka say, oh, you engaged in illegality. That's a bag of one. We can do that in France. But can you hold your person your beko? Until Abeka say, oh, Bill say Poyando, Uba radio tsunami to swat. And can't some way because we are one say be a ne. Sikana Munya, Anna Muliche Ghana for that we have solid money. Emphasis, solid money. Now, oh, you know, oh, Chairman Jay, what's my me more? Chairman just me more. And this kind of a massa into by session. Paul in Yabi, and you're one. Other than that, everything today is better than it was yesterday. Boss, under the whims and caprices of the NDC, $1 near 20 say. And then you come on, you know, $1 say. Inflation, now you say. Price of goods and services, now you say. Chrono in government. Also, banner pay and candy senior because of Basso. Say, among the Fourth Republic, party about power, 10 months, until any allegation about this administration. 10 months. MPP Sabre. Now, boss contaminated oil. My can say now the 5 million boss oil contamination. Sabre, no dear him. Not they were stealing. Let me quote MPP from penny for now. Canada, copy Japan. Or no more risk. Says what there's no tomorrow.
To what extent now, which may I scupeti the member of parliament or war Asutifi North near Asutifi South? Yeah, linked to yes.
Things are better, and you might get in every facet of our society than it was yesterday. What we say, and maybe in Chibia,
I'll be a hypocrite. I'll be a hypocrite not to admit that fact.
Thank you.
I know that currently we are doing a single digit.
Thank you, 8%.
Yes,
8%. You call 52 under the watch of Toyando and in the party. 54.
Yes,
thank you for the correction.
We are doing better.
54%. They be so correct.
54.
Let's go to Hidim. And the Galamsey issues.
Seemingly
involvement of your member of parliament.
If not members of parliament. Me, Seba issues of Galamsey as a material scientist. Me a Mfruke University as a material scientist. As part of my study. Me a preview to some of these things. Idea. Minim yonia. Yamfa kwan paso entu from a good year. Means also in its form in any way. And I've said in this studio, my videos are bound. Say yentokwa, I was say yakunye winning ne. Because you're winning now. And tokwa where the hawk was future generation to fight. Na bia endu almost no. No tokwa na yedin. Just have a. So we need a holistic approach to fight this war and win it once and for all. Irrespective of the budget. Me, say me president, every minister, regional chairman, anybody, and also Galamsey chi, say, ye quiet, yensio, the lives of individuals, and near my cost for mining site one, Kakabini boss no, about the drugs, prostitution, robbery, character, and Koda Munko school. Yeah, new more going to him because of Munko school. If a teenage one, pregnancy, cost. And now we need a daughter for doing Koma and somewhere catch about Arabia Canino. Not can you so privileged in our system. Nay, I so common. We hear it on daily basis. I will not be here to glorify the issues. But the point is that, baby, you do know what is a possible way forward. Which way I have reflected, me just the me share is and the see what's enough. Yes, sir. And I know the mammy EPA and then the team we go through. According to the say. Me yes gidi expert. But me I am terribly surprised the way forward. You know why? Timamufono. And say if you have watched prices of water in you, the way at which air cost without control. Sir, me be so company bidin. And check be na me 37 cities. That pack no.
Yeah.
The last time I checked.
That family pack no.
I have 50 60 something cities.
Yes. I bought my 58.
58, thank you. I have 58 60 cities depending on baby abeton. And you see the rate at which in Kofoni Nkoho in so year 2 in the near foreseeable future say or say a ton so na ya nom wo my moha. The question is, how many people can avoid our family pack? No, I need a year 58, a year 60. No, that is why see I can't anything mining now. I was say kind so passionately. Governments have demonstrated their will. Say or percent okum. I am a regional executive member of the NDC National Region. We have met officialdom. They have told us in the face, said they would not condone with any regional executive who would engage himself or herself with this activity. And to me, I am oblivious. Me commitment from government. But the question is, what is your 440? A command inside. Now a cromoni na wielding machetes in Nhyira and second pounds on you. What do? Do you fight back? Do you shoot? Do you retreat? Or you run? That's what we are now. And I think that say and Kono ye be device new miss. I move from the militancy. I admit. About stakeholder engagement. Because mine is in their stakeholders. I am for your stakeholders.
Wrong.
Because I'm not a security expert. But from what I've seen, I was a sunafo. From what I'm seeing, I was Hano. I think that it's taking a new twist. the usual Jojo is not solving the matter. Okay. And now people are fully armed. They knew where this is coming from. But I think, say, I have stated here, say, any means necessary. I did back a way because government have shown a commitment. But, Master, so a binding show commitment.
Consistent, you say government to show commitment. A commitment to bear.
The commitment be the macachon that we have been told in the face. So we are regional executive plan who engage here. Government will not condone. It means a buying, as say, we are going into this war fully to fight. 9 months have been commissioned. Don't you remember commission? Or say, Oman Penny, Mina Mesmau. Power be any Ghana ha, a switch Oman Penny power. In the Kwamukwe, Mugen will be on Fremo, and can't Chemo say, Munkwa, Mamonka, Munya, someone say, you have my full backing, go with my strength. And that is what I think, say, Omukoye, they are doing. All MMDCs have been called.
How different is that from Akufo-Addo can say I am putting my presidency on the line? There was interministerial committee.
The difference here, very clear.
What's the difference?
When Akufo-Addo minister came and told the whole country that Akonta mining is doing illegal mining, the president, just CPS would just say Akonta mining is illegal mining. It tells you, says Abreno. Omanpenyi Nana Adodan kwa Akufo-Addo na shamra sa for the timi koye forest nim akosai forest no and the first time I use forest mu kosai koye John MAHAMA baye that manifest portion of it was repealed. Say processes are ongoing for the entirety of the law to be repealed. And your commitment will give what instruction that no prospective mining or no mining lease should be given to anybody to enter any of our forests, to enter our forest areas. We declare forest known as a security zone. Their proper way within the months. They are conflicting.
Can you say Uncle Kretumi and Memendano since some buy moon issue mining license?
That's why I tell you say yes. There's a conflicting report. Me because I fed 2 reports. Me independent assessment to date. Bakusi a mabia, Bakusi a matter 3. Those are the 36 or 50. 50 or the 50. Those are the 2 conflicting reports that I have.
But for that, the one that I saw from Joy,
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
And 35 mining related licenses.
There is
issued since MAHAMA was sworn in.
There's a conflicting report. I've said so because I say no license has been given to anybody to mine in any of our forest reserves. It's a verdict. Yeah, there are mining concessions are any forest. And if because I've not done an independent viable
more conversation. If I say more conversation, I'm referring to you and other NDC communicators.
Yes, sir.
Initially, no, not push channel say. You buy and file license in Mobia. Then join news and release the idea. Now you are shifting the post. Say related, but they are not going to the forest.
There are 2 conflict. I use the word conflicting reports. I, Solomon, Anana, Mitu, and High, haven't done any independent viable to assassin say which of them is correct. It's a meditating now to Jama. And I need to be fair to Omo Mutiemi. And I'm a catcher say. Embedded in this, even with the dry report, attest to the fact, say, even they claim that 35, none of them is in the forest reserve. The member can say, quite you, who's a quiet between say, no, thinking they say, I want a good in the power. Say, ye 2 mining, a war, quite you, Mudia, Omanpenyi John Dramani MAHAMA, and then the Minister for Lands, and your Maka, have shown commitment that is a no-go area. And that's all shall brute force our Omdeco, irrespective. Is it not intriguing? Say national focus, I can tell me. It involves a member of parliament. What do you mind Ghana? Processes are you come to get a member of parliament arrested. Anyone you can, and you can. So within this matter of time, your poor member of parliament on no is a legend. Say first depay bondi no outside the country. Honorable Colonzada outside the country. Second MP say no me come, but tell me person me who ye or I don't know na me know. But there are processes. Say, let us investigate. Let us find out. Say, kwa do no bona. Me, Solomon, and I'm the say, yes, so. Say, kwa do bona. Say, the Ghana and Marciano, Yanyanesa. In the instance that government have shown, and I use the word again, commitment. Some commitment in the past, yeah, no.
The as an MPhil
Yeah,
on a scale of 0 to 10.
Correct.
Saying our rate more performance so far in the fight against illegal mining.
A question will say that you are in twofold. Our commitment to fighting the illegal mining. Memano, an excellent commitment. The second leg is that.
What is excellent commitment?
Oh, excellent. So, okay, that's when you're excellent. So, you have done well.
I said on 0 to 10. A scale of 0 to 10.
Remember, 8. On the commitment to fight it. There's another leg of it. Because as a research student, or fight, has it yielded the needed dividends?
Okay.
And people will so say, commitment I will put in, these are the dividends. The dividends, ain't yet that high.
Okay.
Because actors are more. Also, when you have man, the needed results in your cooperation in your. That is why in my submission I told you, I think that we need to be on round table, brainstorm and jojo, and find a way. I'm concluding by saying, fight against illegal mining must not be left to an individual. Our chiefs, our assemblymen.
We shouldn't be an individual fight.
We have said this time with that.
Okay,
number.
so let me that's it.
Senior, can't wait time with that number. And you see, and so say maybe I feel about so pull me tapes from time memory Twitter. This has been my stand because I've said, a fighter. We need to fight it today.
Do you want to decouple your stance from the major stance of the NDC and the current incumbent NDC?
What is the major stance? I want to know.
Okay.
Yeah, major stance NDC.
Those times, the picture was
because I've been a communicator for the party for the
major stand of the NDC in opposition, and the problem is Akufo-Addo, and Akufo-Addo.
But I have demonstrated to you. Say, umani panel license. Say, uncle. First, and come mania.
So you admit that now the problem is John Mahama. So John Mahama should fix it. You admit that.
What's the question? Mama Tule.
Okay.
Who was a commitment of government? And I told you very high.
Okay.
Then the next question was that the needed outcome. And I'm going to say, very low because they are progressive.
That's it. At least you've exhibited
not fight to winning there. Because you're winning now. It's a fight we need to fight.
Okay. But that's Mamenko Gabio, UP Plus. What's your stance on this?